This the old school shit right here. You got one put this thing here.
Oh yeah, this fire.
And that was like in the beginning, like when I first, that's like probably my first couple visits at the studio.
This beat fire.
Yeah, he made that shit. You can't get none of that shit anymore.
I hear you. That's you on the hook? Oh, that shit fire.
I wish that shit was a little loud. I'm about to try
This way. Nino, this way. That shit was dope, my nigga.
This that other Blazing freestyle right there.
Play it.
This one's a little loud over here.
Look, he lift his leg up. Nino don't lift his leg up in P, yo. Wait till Sharonda see that. This nigga is graduating to he becoming a big boy now. He lift his leg up in P now. On that way? All right, come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. That's a good thing about letting the seats down. You open the back door, you're in the trunk. I just like them to go through the trunk instead of going through the back door. It's a nice park, yo.
Spacious.
Oh, look at this. This is a nice trail, Nino. What's on the other side of that?
I'm about to show you.
I'll shoot a video out
You
here,
can let them
bro.
off now. Ain't nobody
Oh, hold on. Sit.
This Future hood, ain't it?
I don't know.
I think Future from E-Town.
He ain't from here, but he was living out here. His mom was living out here. He was staying with his mom. Yeah, we walking on the plank. He go too fast, man. Slow down some, Nino.
I could use this verse on this shit.
Nino, wait.
This another beat he made right here, but we off of it already. He said he can't find none of this shit. He sold his laptop for me. Let's smoke this weed. Little bitch flying down 29. And read between the lines.
That shit hard. This music sound like it was made now.
Yeah. I mean, with the lowest quality of shit. Bro.
Yeah, it's low quality, but the music is fire.
Shivering, slipping. Then you hear them.
I'm gonna definitely give you a bath as soon as we get back. All three of y'all. We all in the woods and shit. It's good though. It's good though.
As you see, you don't see nothing flying.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean?
As long as he don't be all up, they be up in there.
Yeah. But you know, I think they treat this shit, bro. They treat this
Yeah, they
shit.
probably
cut
do.
the trees down. Listen, we taking care of that on his last walk to painting houses.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Keep it
Yeah.
fucking
Nino, don't go too fast. Slow down, buddy.
moving. If you go on that point, you good. You going over that point.
I need a shock collar. That's what I need for me.
Nah, nigga, that's a beef.
That's what a lot of people say. But look at it, he just going about his business. Ain't even worrying about what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to look for him. As long as you slow down. As long as you slow down and wait.
But he turns around and looks for you.
Yeah, that's good. Trying to see where I'm at.
Yeah, shit, he know where he at.
Oh, they got the swing out here. It's nice.
Nice little hike trail.
Yeah, it's really nice.
The long one gonna do this in winter time.
Mm-hmm. I'll definitely shoot some video out here.
Mm-hmm. That's why I be fishing with this.
Yeah, they be biting out here.
No, I caught one fish right there. I don't fish it every day. I think he's doing that construction over there, so that should be fucking up a little pond.
Yeah, I want to look over this water.
Mm-hmm. You gotta make sure ain't nobody leaving none of that old, they be leaving the old bait out here, the old raw flesh out here.
Yeah.
You know, eat that.
He'll jump in that water. Nino love water. Oh, this is nice, bro. Nice fishing spot. Hey, I think this is real nice where we at right now. If y'all think that it's real nice, let me know in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you think about this whole park right here in the comments. Is it good to take your dog on trails like this? Play. That boy look good as hell standing there.
That's why I be catching a fish at right here.
So you throw your line deep.
Or sometimes I just throw it a little bit past that stick, but you know it's a bigger, you know it's
Yeah.
more sticks like
When
that.
you reeling it up, it could get tangled and shit.
Yeah. Sometimes the water be as high as this though right here. Like,
Word? In the flood season?
Yeah, when that shit come out. That's the best you can up there.
Okay.
That's a good boy. That's a good boy, man.
It feel good right here, yo. I'm got him some water. I ain't even get myself nothing, but I'm thirsty than a motherfucker.
Water at the crib, it ain't cold.
Is it wet?
Yeah.
All right. That's what I be telling people. Bitch, as long as it's wet. My teeth all fucked up.
Yeah,
I don't
you
need
can't
nothing
fuck
too cold.
Yeah. Every time I eat a piece of fried chicken, my tooth chippens out.
Watch he go falling down the goddamn hill, then I gotta go rescue him and
Yeah,
shit.
you don't want that.
Come on, Nino. Dip back up, back up. Get back. Get back.
You see that water though.
Yeah, he'll go in that water. Get back. Get back. Yeah, he ain't scared. Luna, she used to be scared of water. She ain't now. She ain't scared of the water. Good reflex.
That's from my carpal tunnel though, bro. That's,
Yeah.
that shit just drop out my room.
I just deleted a bunch of shit just so I can free up some space.
You don't got no SD card in there?
No.
Order one of those off the line, bro. Get some space, some gigs. 100 gigs, 500 gigs.
Yeah, hold on. Let me make him come to me. Nino, come here. Come here. Come on. Come. Come.
Nice little park.
Mm-hmm.
Once you bring the basketball court over here, that's when the niggas gonna be out.
The what?
The niggas will come once the basketball court comes.
Oh, yeah.
You don't want that. It's like,
Yeah,
nah,
leave the niggas out. I like this tree here. Good shit.
That's where you might catch a snake or a tick.
Oh, yeah. A rattlesnake, bitch.
You gotta keep your eyes on the trail because I have seen snakes back there.
Mm-hmm. Carolina is known to have the most snake bites in America.
Yeah, I know a couple people that got bit by snakes that I've met out here.
Yeah.
Bit by snakes, spiders. I know a girl had a chunk out the back of her leg after getting bit by a spider.
Damn.
Like a chunk, like you see like a bit
Meat.
in her leg, yeah. Stallion, right?
Yeah, Nino getting big.
I wonder why they call Megan a stallion, because you know a stallion is a boy horse.
I just think stallion means big and strong. That's what I've always looked
But when
at
they
it
talk
as.
about a stallion, they talking about a boy
Yeah,
horse.
male horse. Well, her ass sit up like a horse. You feel me?
Male,
It's her ass. That's what Megan. That's what that's about.
I'm just saying, they just don't let it on. I think it's people under that thing talking about it.
Nino, come here. Come here. Nino, come here. Come.
There you go, boy.
Sit. I just want you to repeat that. This town used to be a what?
Sundown town.
What's a sundown town?
When the sun go down, if a nigga outside, you getting hung.
Damn.
Laying County.
It was real like that, huh?
Yeah.
Damn. This shit crazy. Bladen County. Man.
Yup, they do the reenactment of the fucked up shit that used to go on around here. Like they'll have a little mini parade or just a reenactment of the slave shit or
You see Confederate flags all over the
yeah,
fucking
hell
place?
yeah. You see them in your job parking lot.
Yeah.
You see them everywhere.
This shit crazy, man.
This is White Lake. Like you go 10 minutes that way, that's White Lake. You go 30
Why you think
minutes
it's
that
called
way,
White Lake?
it's Whiteville. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Shit is nuts.
Well, it's a new day.
There's a trail right here.
Man, I'm done with the trail shit, man. I'm ready to get up out of here, man. Yeah. I gotta get back to them dogs, man.
You gotta get back to the crib?
Yeah. We started from scratch. No blueprint. No master plan. Just every day adding on. Subtracting what's not needed. Building. We here now. Conscious.